Hey!
Right, do it.
Hello everybody, today we're going to be exploring this apartment right here before we majorly destroy it. Nitroglycerin. Go. So you can see this is the front entrance. It's like front entrance. Bushes everywhere. What that's supposed to be.
You know what it is. Some storage room.
A nice, warm, luxury inside bedroom area spot. Looks nice.
I'm taking this.
Tommy, pretend like we were. Wait, but Tommy, let's pretend we lived here. We actually lived here. Hey, Tom, let's go in one of the rooms. What room are you in? Let's live in this room.
No, this is more like that hotel you made.
Yeah, guys, this is an actual nice, warm hotel, actually. Oh, I killed it.
I don't care about that phone. What the hell? Pill? Ew.
Build?
Ew.
Where? Which ones?
Those ones I threw at you.
Yeah, let's make the bed.
Oh. I hate when my bed actually does that.
What?
Like when you try to move it.
Alright, so our bed's nice and clean, right?
Yeah.
Alright, hey, let's just lay down, man. Are you laying down?
Yeah.
Be right back. I'm gonna go get a muff. Be right back.
Yeah.
Wait, can you like put some props in our room?
Yeah, hold on.
Like just, do a casual clean. Like, just clean the house. Pretend you're cleaning the house. cleaning in here?
Yeah? I'm scared.
Why?
You see why.
What's wrong?
Look out there again.
Why? What's wrong?
Look, actually.
Oh God!
You see why I'm hiding in the
Yeah, we
bathroom?
gotta get out. We gotta get out.
I'm staying here.
They kind of survived.
Yeah.
How many minutes have we been recording for anyway?
5. By the way, shout out to the anti-Evan group. They're nice. What was that, a beep?
What?
Dude,
I don't know what you were.
yeah. I'm actually laughing because it's funny.
We did it, duh.
Yeah.
I'm eating a cheeseburger.
Here, kitty. You can have cheeseburger.
I'm trying to survive the survival on fire.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good luck. Was this spreading?
Yeah. Like we.
Like weed? Oh!
He said the line. No. I'm gonna grab more picture.
Shut
Ah.
up. What, that's a line?
Evan Inman is the worst person ever.
Evan Inman is the best person ever.
Nah.
I'm kidding. Stop.
Dude.
What? You tell me, we always do the door. I want to have to go and do it like randomly. That would be the door.
Roblox is the worst for making new stuff.
Duh. Tell me, duh.
Dude.
How many minutes have we been recording now?
8,
9?
6, 7. No.
We're good at Georgia.
6, 7. No.
Oh, God damn it. Maybe we do it. 7.
Wait, hold on. I can.
That can be a new name.
I can see the fire leaking through the door.
What?
Look.
Oh. I'm just cleaning. Just clean the bathroom.
I don't want to die. I'm too young to die. I'm young Sheldon. Here's a gay fuck. Here, get catfish.
Yeah, tell me you're about to die.
I don't care. I don't care no more.
1, 1, 2, 7, 3.
Fix that.